Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're looking at this. This is the banana phone from Nokia. And this is part of the farewell series from Nokia. Well, I shouldn't say from Nokia, but for Nokia. As you probably know, Nokia is no longer in the business of making phones. As far as I can tell, because I looked at their website, Nokia.com, and I could not find anything as far as phones. If you want to see the Nokia style phones, you have to go to hdm.com, which is sad because this is the second time Nokia leaves the phone market. In any case, let's open this up, and this is it right here. I call it Nokia. I know some people say Nokia. Okay, so let's take a look around. On the front, we have the keypad. On the left, we have nothing. On the right, we have the power button. And we do not have volume buttons. That's weird. On the top, we have the headphone hole and the charging port. That's a USB. It's a micro USB. On the bottom, we don't have anything. On the back, we have the flash, the camera lens, and the speaker and logo. Okay, so let's power it on. To power it on, you long press this button right here, the power button. Okay, so we're at the home screen. So let's take a look at the apps. Let me dim the lights. Okay, so there we are. So now let's take a look at the apps. So we have a call log, contacts, store, messages, camera, snake, YouTube, assistant, music, gallery, FM radio, browser, email, clock, video, Google, maps, Twitter, calendar, settings, note, calculator, recorder, and a few other things. So now let's go back to store. Okay, so we have the recommended. Education. So much more. Social. So we do have Facebook, but we do not have WhatsApp. Games. Let's go to the next category. Lifestyle. Let's just carry on. News. Shopping. There's no Amazon. Only Bazaar. Only Bazaar, which is bizarre. That's entertainment. Health. Sports. And book. Okay, so now let's see what YouTube does. Let's look at that video. Let's look at this video. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Okay, so that was YouTube. Let's see if Assistant can help me. Take me to McDonald's.
Choose. You can say things like the second one. So, which do you want?
Okay, so here are the directions. I'm gonna click on drive because I don't want to walk 3 hours. And here's our map. Okay, so the assistant works. So you can put your music here, and you can do a lot of things like the FM radio. I tested that off camera. You do have to plug in the headphones. It will not let you do anything without it. And then we got these browsers right here, like you can go to Yahoo if you want, or Google. The last thing I want to show you is, of course, right here, flashlight. So you do get a flashlight. So that's pretty cool. And the shortcuts. And you do have a camera, so it can take photos. And it can also take video right here. Okay, so right now I'm talking through the phone, through the banana phone. And this is the camera. Okay, so we have reached the end of this review, and overall I think this is more of a novelty item than a real phone. I don't think anybody wants to replace their smartphone with this for many reasons. One of them being that this keyboard is kind of hard to use. If you're typing with it, it's not fun. It doesn't have a volume knob or a volume rocker switch, whatever you want to call it. It does have a power button, that's good, but there's no easy way to control the volume. That's weird. Also, the radio, you have to plug in your headphones over there. That's fine because most phones are like that. I've only had one phone that didn't need headphones to work. The camera's fairly terrible. I tested it. So having said all that, thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.